Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to explore the customer statement report in Odoo 90. So basically, it's a powerful feature that helps you to track what each customer owes, what they have paid, and their overall account balance in a clear and professional manner. For that, here I am at the accounting module, and let me move to the customer side and let me specify with the customer. So here I'm going to show you Anjana. So here is my customer, which is Anjana. She is a person. Now let's head over to the customer side and I'm going to create a new invoice. Okay. So let me create a new invoice for Anjana. So here I'm choosing Anjana. And let me provide the product details. So here I'm going to sale the wall shelf unit to Anjana. So let me add quantity, which is 4 quantity. Now you can see for the 4 quantity of wall shelf unit, it's cost $400. Once I'm done with that, let me confirm this. Okay, it's in post chase. Now I'm going to duplicate this current invoice. Okay, now I'm going to duplicate this current invoice. I accidentally click on the delete button. It's okay. So now I'm going to add more quantity, which is 10 quantity. Okay. Now you can see the total amount. The first invoice we have created for $400 and the second invoice we have created for $1,000. Now let's confirm and let's post it. So after the post, let's move to the invoice line and there you can see 2 invoices have been created for Anjana. So the first one is actually $4,000 and the second one is for $400. Let me take the first one and I'm going to create a payment. Okay. So Anjana is willing to pay $200 or okay, not $200. Let me provide it as $300. So she's willing to pay $300 now. So this is a partial payment. Okay. Now let's create the payment. So this is a partial payment. Moving on to the payment status, let's validate it. So here it is in validation. So it's done. Now let's move to the invoices. So there we have Anjana's invoice. So this is in payment and it's already partial payment. So moving on to the dashboard itself and under the transaction after the reconciliation. Let me create the reconciliation. And let me provide the partner name Anjana. $300. Okay. And in close. By adding that there we have 2 reconciliation. So here I'm clicking this one and let's select. So it's in partial. Now let's move to the customer side and under the invoices, you can see it is partially paid. Okay, it's partially paid. By clicking on this particular invoice, it's partially paid. Okay. So for seeing the customer statement report inside Odoo 19 accounting module, you can simply move to the reporting session and there you can see the partner ledger. Under the partner ledger, there you can see different partners that have been inside your DP and which have been created different kind of purchase and sales order. So there you can see. For specifically seeing a particular partner, I'm going to provide the partner name, which is Anjana. Okay, now if I'm done with that, now you can see the only due amount and the other details of Anjana is there now. And there we have Anjana. Now you can see all such details. Okay. So there we have debited $1,400 and there you can see the credited amount as well. By clicking on Anjana, there you can see the drill down menu and there you can see each of the invoices and how much amount that she paid as well. Okay. So seeing the customer statement, let's head over to the partner ledger side and there you can see a second option which means customer statement. By clicking on there, you can see the customer statement report. Okay, there we have a drill down thing and you can see all such details regarding this. So if you want to take this as a PDF file, you can also save or convert this into a PDF by clicking onto the particular PDF. You can see the PDF that is issued. Okay, so that's how simply you can create or get a customer statement report inside Odoo 19. And now there you can see the invoice date, due date, amount and balance. And once the customer pays, that have been also shown under the customer statement report. Okay, so that's all about this video. So I hope you all understood this. So if you like this video, please do subscribe, share with your friends. I'll be back with another tutorial. Till that, bye-bye.